The 15th goal of the UN is about life on land. More specific, it's about protecting all different ecosystems, combating desertification, eradicating alien species, and upholding biodiversity. Applying this to the Alps, it's our responsibility to preserve and restore the mountain forest ecosystems, protecting endangered species, and eradicating the several alien species in the Alps. But how can one responsibly achieve this? YPAC 2020 tries to find solutions to present to high-ranking politicians. Let's ask Jonas from YPAC Rosenheim about this topic.
Which areas, biotopes are afflicted by deforestation and destruction?
Well, luckily there is no deforestation in the Alps because we've got really strict regulations. However, biotypes like swamps that contribute to reducing CO2 emissions are highly endangered. For example, biotopes near rivers that some species rely on, for example, to breed, are also in danger and need to be somehow saved.
And which species are endangered?
Well, for example, the alpine bumblebee is already marked as highly endangered by the European Red List, but also beavers or reptiles or amphibes that we kind of cut their habitats and then destroy their habitats while they can't, for example, breed anymore.
How did alien species reach the Alps?
Well, there are several ways, mostly how just those animals walk or move, but they were mostly not imported by humans. Rather, it is because of climate change, because those species are used to such climate and then get to the Alps because it fits for them, and then they kind of suppress other species there.
What damage do they cause?
Well, yes, they suppress other species. In general, it's basically a threat to biodiversity.
And what can be done against them?
Well, it always depends on the species and the area. Of course, a harsh way would be to use pesticides. Nobody wants to use this. There are other ideas that you can implement other species that are harming for those that are invasive for the invasive species, but do not kind of destroy the diverse ones we already know in the Alps. But it is most important thing is that we go to experts and to local governments to implement plans that work for every specific area, because as a YPAC in general we can't build a complete plan for the whole Alps. We have to focus on several specific areas and then have to discuss with them what is best for everyone.